Hey guys, Bridget Bartlett with Vision Marketing and Design. So today we are going to talk about how to build a website and why you need your own website when you have an MLM that provides one for you or an affiliate that provides one for you. First of all, you don't own the website. That is not your website. You have no control over the content. Secondly, all of the work that you're doing to advertise for the company, all the leads that you're generating for the company, if you decide to stop working for them or you want to promote another product, all of those leads and all of that advertising time is done for. It's basically all for nothing. So it's really important that you create your own website. You can also start generating content for that website. For example, say you were selling doTERRA and you wanted to sell lemon essential oil. You could create a blog post on your website all about essential oil, about lemon essential oil, all the uses for it. You can make all the benefits, and then Google will recognize when people are searching for lemon essential oil. If your website has the most content, if people click on it and they stay on there, that makes Google think that your website is important, and so it'll show up in Google searches better. Many reasons why you need to have your own website. So I'm going to show you today how to build your own website using a digital platform that I use called Builderall. I use Builderall for almost everything that I do in marketing. They're improving on it every day. They're always adding and updating, adding different features, and one of the features that they have is building a website, and they have so many sales funnels, they have so many templates to use, and it's all drag and drop, so you're literally just clicking and dragging. They have tutorial videos. They make it as easy as they could possibly make it, but I'm going to give you a brief overview of Builderall, and then I'm going to show you how to quickly make a website. So if you click on the builders here, you're going to see all of the options for building a website. They even have an app creator, so you can, once you've built your website, you can also create an app. And this is all included in the 1 monthly fee for Builderall. They have a mailing boss autoresponder, which if you look into other websites similar to Builderall, they have half of the features and the price is dramatically increased. With ClickFunnels, for instance, to have a website builder with the templates and a mailing responder or an autoresponder, it's $300 a month. With Builderall, they have plans starting as cheap as $9.90 a month. So it's really, Builderall really has something for everyone, even if you just need one website, or if you want to use Builderall as an affiliate, they have a pretty awesome commission program. So it's not a multi-level marketing, it's a 2-tier affiliate, so you get 100% commission when you sign someone up the first month, and then you get 30% after that, and then the person after you, same thing, they get 100% commission that first month, and then after that 30%, and then you will also get 30%. So, and then it stops there. There are no levels to move up and down. There's no teams to build, none of that, unless you just want to help your team. You can do that, but it's just an affiliate, so they pretty much do all the work for you. It's a pretty low maintenance affiliate program. So having said that, they have design studio where you can build presentations, you can edit photos, you can do all kinds of things with Photoshop. You can create videos, animated videos, floating videos. There are all kinds of apps that you can use, SEO report, browser notifications, auto posting, Facebook chat bot, which is really cool. I have this on my Healthy Mind, Body, Spirit page, where someone goes to your messenger and you can lead them through a menu. Like I've seen even some people will do their whole sales process in the messenger chat bot, and they'll click on it and then it'll lead them to another option or several options, and basically it just walks them through a sales process. Share Locker, you can create e-learnings on this. Script generator, so if you don't know what to say when you're doing email campaigns, they have all of these options here for you. Social proof, there's like a roulette game if you wanted to incorporate that into your website. You can create webinars here. They even have a marketplace where you can purchase other products that other Builderall affiliates have created, which is very useful. They have so many tutorial and training videos to choose from. I'm going to click on here and show you every single thing that they have. They have an entire series of tutorial videos, the Design Studio, the miscellaneous, etc. The Builderall Business. I'll just show you this real fast because it's pretty impressive, actually. If you go to the earnings calculator here, it'll quickly show you, if you sign up, say you just do in an entire year, say you just do 2 a month, so 2 times 12 is 24, say you do that, and say just how many will work as an affiliate, say just 2 of those work as an affiliate, how many sales each affiliate will make, say just each of those 2 sign up. Well, it calculates for you. Your immediate earnings from that will be almost $1,200, and then you'll be making like $420 a month just from that, just for signing 2 people up a month and then 2 people out of the 24 becoming affiliates. So you can see the money really adds up fast, and when you start using Builderall, you see how many uses. I mean, the retention rate is insane because once you've built your website, you don't want to then cancel your subscription because then your website's inactive. You build all these websites, you're going to stay on Builderall. Plus, there are so many options, so many things that you can use for your marketing business that it doesn't make sense why you would ever want to cancel. There's so many things in one place. But having said that, I want to get to showing you how to build a website. So what you're going to do, the easiest way is to do the drag and drop pixel perfect. There's a responsive builder that's it gets a little bit more complicated. So I'm going to show you just quickly when you first get started. The drag and drop pixel perfect is a great place to start. So I'm going to go to new websites. And then I'm going to show you all of these different templates that are available. There's also templates for sales funnels. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, it's basically a series of pages that walk your prospect through the information they need to make the sale. I will talk about that in another video, but they have all kinds of templates here, landing pages, blog pages. Let's just click on health and beauty. I know there's a lot of people working with MLMs with health and beauty. Say beauty cosmetics. Okay, so I'm going to let's choose this cosmetic testimonials page, and I'm just going to click on edit, and then we'll see where we can go from there. So as you can see, the page is completely laid out for you. So if you're selling Mary Kay or something like that unique, you can just put your product pictures in here. You can just change the names. They could essentially check out right here. You could even have this button here directed to your business page, but you want to capture the leads. That's the point of having your own website with a multi-level marketing or any other affiliate. So you can see here it's all filled out. Now, if you want to change the wording, it's so simple. You just click, you right click here, go to text, And then you would just simply delete and change. So instead of join beautiful hair, maybe you want to say enjoy pretty hair, just for example. But of course you would capitalize that. And then you would just hit save. I'm going to show you here how easy these buttons are. If you want to direct this button to go someplace else, you would just click, right click the button, click action. You want to send it to a web address, but there are all kinds of options here, things that you can do. If you wanted to redirect this when your prospect clicked on that Buy Now button, you could send them directly to your website and you literally just paste it here. And then you would hit OK. And it's not going to let me because of that. So then you would just save. And when you save, you're going to just name this, like let's name it, actually we'll just name it test. And then send. I already have one named that, so we'll say test 1. Okay. Now from this point, what you need to do is you can go buy a domain name. And then you can just transfer your domain name to this website or vice versa. You want to have your own domain name so that it's branded to you again. However, you want to kind of stay with the company. So if you were doing Mary Kay, you would want to do like Mary Kay Now or Mary Kay Today. Those are popular ones that people choose because you want to make sure that that name brand is linked to the domain name. That way when people are searching through Google for Mary Kay, they're going to see your website. It's going to show up before some of the others that have nothing to do with Mary Kay. So if you have any questions, let me get up here. If you have any questions about this, if you don't understand, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. If you want to become a Builderall affiliate, again, let me know. I'm happy to help you. If you want to just kind of test out Builderall yourself, see if it's something that you're interested in, I'm going to put a link right here for a 7-day trial so you can just check it out, play around with all the options, and you're going to love it. It's just... I use Builderall every day for most things, and I could go to ClickFunnels, but in the trial, I tried a ClickFunnels trial. I did not see anything more impressive than Builderall, and I tried many other options like ClickFunnels. Nothing compares to Builderall. The fact that there's an affiliate program as well, I'm already telling people how much I love Builderall, how much I use it for everything. So it's natural and a great progression into that to then make commission. So if you're already doing multi-level marketing and you decided to also market Builderall and become a Builderall affiliate, what a better way to build your team than to offer them a tool like Builderall. With multi-level marketing, the more successful your team is, the more successful you are. If you are also promoting to them an affiliate program like Builderall, since it's not a multi-level marketing, they don't conflict with each other, but it's just another way to use those same people to earn more of a commission. So basically you're kind of getting 2 in 1. You're helping them to become successful, giving them great tools to use. In addition, you are making a commission on that as well. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, you want to sign up for Builderall, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. I love talking Builderall. I love talking marketing. Have a great night.